My name is Connor Robinson. I'm a technical sales consultant for Bosch Rexroth Canada, and my primary focus is linear motion technology. We've been working with Liburdi for a number of years now, and they were approached with a higher market need. So they approached us to develop a larger solution in order to save them design and assembly time.
Liburdi is a global leader in automated welding systems. Typically we work within the aerospace and medical community. In the medical and aerospace industries, they require high tolerance, high precision machines. 3 years ago, Liburdi revamped their complete product line. One of the main components that we looked at was the axes within the system. With our complete redesign, we wanted to look at building a much more efficient timeline and more accurate, more precise systems. We came down to Bosch Rexroth as the individual vendor because we had quality, on-time delivery, engineering services that could provide us with the unique challenges that we see at Liburdi with our systems.
Liburdi's application requirements were that the product needed to fit within a defined scope and a defined work portfolio, as well as they wanted something to drop in on their pre-assembled frame. The challenges needed to be overcome here was for us to come up with an offering that would specifically match the frame that Liburdi was prefabricating. We needed to match their tolerance requirements and accuracy requirements and build something in parallel to align both our production schedules.
So one of the things that we looked at Bosch Rexroth for was a complete turnkey package where we basically take the axes, we mount them onto a single component, and at that point everything comes in as a drilled, doweled, and high precision unit that we can then enter and lower into our system, creating an overall package. If we were to align and pin the axes here, we would see it anywhere from 12 to 14 working days of man time to do a single system. With the pre-engineered units, we're looking at about 2.5 to 3 hours to complete one system. So right now we're seeing in the range of about a 12 to 14 day time savings per system.
Some of the key takeaways and benefits to this partnership is that now globally Rexroth can support the product, as well as Liburdi is now capable of providing the solution anywhere in the world, knowing that Rexroth is behind them to support the product.